Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella's son, Zane, dead at 26. Microsoft CEO son died at age 26 on Monday following a lifelong battle with cerebral palsy. According to reports, tech firm informed its top executives of Zane Nadella's passing in an email. The message asked the executives to send their thoughts and prayers to the family. I know we all want to support Satya during this difficult time. The best way right now is to hold him and his family in your thoughts and prayers while allowing them the privacy and peace to process such a grave loss. This is his eldest son of 3. He experienced asphyxiation in utero, was born weighing just 3 pounds. Zane Nadella received care at Seattle Children's Hospital for much of his life. So he suffered from the get-go, from the jump, even before the jump in utero. And that's a tough circumstance, man. Yeah, the privacy part is big. It can be I would assume it would be overwhelming to receive like thousands of messages and feeling that you need to get back to them, and you're just trying to be with your immediate family in those moments. The Microsoft CEO and his wife, Anu, donated $15 million to the Seattle Children's Hospital and helped establish the Zane Nadella Endowed Chair in Pediatric Neurosciences in 2021. Zane will be remembered for his eclectic taste in music, his bright, sunny smile, and the immense joy he brought to his family and all those who loved him. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
You rest in peace.
Rest in peace.